Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Google Drive to NotebookLM. Trying to connect NotebookLM to Google Drive is honestly easier than finding the skip intro button on Netflix. The good news is you usually don't need any complicated setup at all. As long as you're signed into NotebookLM using the same Google account connected to your drive, the integration already works automatically. That means Notebook LM can instantly access your Google Docs, PDFs, notes, and other supported files without needing extra permissions every 5 minutes, like some apps do. To actually use your Drive files, open Notebook LM, click Upload Source. From there, choose the Google Drive option, then select the file you want to import. Once added, the file appears in the Sources panel, and Notebook LM immediately starts generating summaries, explanations, notes, or even study guides based on that content. The really useful part is that updates made inside Google Drive can stay synced with Notebook LM, making it feel less like organizing files and more like having an AI research assistant that finally understands your chaotic folders. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.